Quarantine, day 8, March 23rd. We couldn't afford a babysitter for our kids, so we resorted to Netflix and PJ Masks. The bad guys in 1/4 of the episodes of PJ Masks are Romeo and Luna Girl. Romeo is in 14 episodes. Luna Girl is in 2/7 as many episodes as Romeo. How many episodes are there in all?
It's not there.
What up, quarantine people? Back at it again. This is a super challenging problem, so let's just dive right in because we're going to need all the time we can get. As always, most of you guys have been around a while. You know we love our sides check here at Quarantine Math and Instruct the Beats. If you don't know what it is, check out our song. Our statement for this question is going to say, there are blank episodes. Wow, I am having trouble spelling that. Episodes in all. Okay, so when I go back and identify, I'm identifying anything that they're telling me about episodes, and I'm identifying that I'm looking for all the episodes. Okay, so when I identified, I know that Romeo plus Luna Girl equaled 1/4 of all the episodes. Okay, I'm going to underline that word of. I know that Romeo was 14. I know that Luna Girl was 2/7 as many as Romeo, which is comparing them using a fraction. You're going to be scaling here to help me find Luna Girl. And I know that I'm looking for all the episodes, okay? So that's important because that's helping me know what I'm going to do at the end. First, though, to help me solve this, I'm going to do a fraction model. This is going to involve a few more tape diagrams than normal. I know that I'm looking for all blank episodes, so this is going to be my answer here. I'm splitting them into fourths, okay? And I know that Romeo and Luna Girl were 1/4 of the episodes. So if I can figure out Romeo and Luna Girl, and then I know I have 4 of those equal groups, that will help me figure out my episodes. So I'm going to use a different variable here. I'm going to say I need to solve for y first. And to do that, I'm going to draw a separate tape diagram, okay? Because sometimes, you can combine them and manipulate them where they all fit together. Sometimes it may just be easier to segment the question. And so first, I want to help me solve for y by telling me what it said. Right here, I'm comparing Romeo and Luna Girl using multiplication comparison. So I'm going to draw a different tape diagram. It doesn't have to be the same size as this because these are not related at all. And I know that Romeo here, okay, had 14, and Luna Girl had 2/7 as many as Romeo, which means I need to split Romeo into 7 equal pieces as best I can. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not great. I did my best. And I know that Luna Girl is going to be 2/7 as many as Romeo. So whatever, for 2 of these pieces, that is what Luna Girl is going to be. Well, my next step is to know I have a total of 14 and I have 7 equal groups. So if I divide 14 into 7 equal groups, I'm going to have 2 in each group, which means Luna Girl is going to have a total of 4. And when I add those together, that tells me that Luna Girl and Romeo together was 18. So now I know my y is actually an 18. And if this 1/4 is 18, that means all of them, because I know fractions are equal pieces, which makes fractions easy. All of these fourths are going to be 18. So if I have 18 groups of, if I have 4 groups of 18, I could add 18 plus 18 plus 18, but that would be silly. I know 18 plus 18 is 36, and then 36 plus 36 would be 72. So there are 72 episodes in all. All right. I know there's a few different steps, but here's what you can take from this. If you haven't been in my class before, you can use the tape diagrams separately to help you figure out the same question, or some of you might have put the tape diagrams together, and that's perfectly acceptable too. It's all what you feel comfortable with, what's going to help you visualize what's happening so that you can understand and solve. It's not just about getting the answer, it's about understanding what is happening as well. Please take care of yourself, wash your hands, don't touch your face. If you're feeling sick, stay inside, don't cough or sneeze on anybody, don't be rude. And as always, stay safe, do math. I'm out.